Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to look at dividing mixed fractions. And if you've seen our previous fraction videos in grade 8, your hard work is going to pay off in this lesson. So here's our strategy. We're going to have mixed fractions. We're going to convert them into improper fractions. Then we're going to divide and simplify, and then convert back to mixed fractions as such. So let's look at example 1. 2 1/3 divided by 3 1/4. So we have 2 times 3, 6 plus 1, 7. So 7/3. 4 times 3, 12 plus 1, 13. So this here is equivalent to saying 7/3 divided by 13 over 4 times the reciprocal, 4 over 13. So we have 28 on the top and 39 on the bottom. And so 28 over 39 is our final answer. Example B. 6 2/5 divided by 2 2/3. So we have 32/5 and divided by 8/3. We go times the reciprocal as such. Here we have 8 in common, bang bang. What's left is 4 and 1. So we multiply the top, 4 times 3, 12, 5 times 1, 5. So we have our improper fraction right here. If we do long division, we get 2 remainders 2. So our mixed fraction is 2 2/5, like that. And that's it. It's that easy. So let's have you guys give it a practice. Okay. Can we see all three? No. Okay. So the first two here. Go ahead and divide and simplify these operations right here. Okay. For A, we have 28 over 5 and 19 over 3. Times the reciprocal, 3 over 19. Nothing reducing, so that gives us 84 over 95 as our final answer. B. 4 3/8 divided by 2 1/7. So we multiply plus 35 over 8 divided by 15 over 7. Times the reciprocal, 7 over 15. 5 is in common, bang bang. What's left is 7 and 3. So 49 on the top, 24 on the bottom. Perform long division, and we get 2 remainder 1. So 2 1/24 is our final answer. Example C. Go ahead and pause the video and perform that division. Okay, so what do we have here? So here we have 28 over 9 divided by 8 over 3. Times the reciprocal as such. Here we have, what do we have in common? 3 and 9, cancel out the 3 there. Here we have 4 in common, bang bang. What's left is 7 and 2. So 7 times 1, 7. 3 times 2, 6. So this is 1 1/6 as such. Okay, last couple examples to practice. Go ahead and pause the video and perform these divisions. Okay, so for D, we have 5 1/5, so 26 over 5, divided by 3 over 1, times the reciprocal, 1 over 3. We perform that multiplication, so 26 over 15, like that. Long division, we get 1 and remainder 11, so 1 11/15, like that. E, 6 1/2 is 13 over 2, divided by 3 over 4, times the reciprocal, like that. 2 cancels out from here, bang bang. What's left is 13 times 2, 26. 1 times 3, 3. Perform long division, we get 8 remainder 2, so 8 2/3 is our final answer. And that's it. It's that simple. I'll see you guys in the next video.